don't remember what to say. Okay. Let's try this shit over. Let's try this again. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this beautiful lavender purple color on this wig. This wig is from Jessica Hair, Amazon based company. It is $49. It was originally 613 blonde, 13 by 6. I did initial review on it. I might put that. I'm going to put that in the description box below with more details on the wig. I just wanted to go over a few things before the video gets started. This is my first time doing like a color like this. I really do love it a lot. When you're doing watercolor method, make sure you take your Got To Be Glue free spray and you spray the lace before you even dip it in the water. Spray all of that lace, like go overboard, so then you're not the hair color isn't going onto the lace, because nothing is more tacky than a full colored wig and the lace is the same color. Like, that is so tacky to me. So make sure you're doing that. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm definitely going to be doing more colored hair. I'm feeling like colored hair lately. Like, this is like my thing now. Like, okay, like I love coloring hair, I love colored hair, and yeah, I just feel like this is what I like to do. So let me know what colors you guys want to see. I just really want to just experience with colors and stuff like that, and like do some greens and stuff, and some pinks and some purple. I already got purple, but yellows, all different types of colors. I want to do all of that. I want to do all of that when it comes to coloring. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. So you guys are going to need a bowl, you're going to need some hair color. I have the Adore and Lavender. I have 2 of them. You can get them from your local beauty store. I also have the wig that I'm using. I will give more details on the wig at the end of the video, but just remember that I did a review on this wig already. Yeah, so I will leave that in the description box so you guys can see that review. So let's just get started. First, I went off and I just poured one of the hair colors into the bowl of, I used warm water. When you use warm water, it's easier for the hair color to mix with the water, and you won't have like chunky pieces in there. So yeah, I'm just stirring that around, getting it all mixed in. And one thing I want to let you guys know is when it comes to coloring hair and using the watercolor method, remember that the first part that you put in the water is going to be darker than all of the other spots, because the hair color is constantly touching that first part. And that's actually what I kind of was going for. I really wanted to do like kind of like a highlight throughout it. So what I did do is well, as of right now, I'm just doing like a little test run to make sure it's the exact purple that I want it to be. So what I did is I dumped the wig at the top of it, like the roots, by the roots. I dumped that part first, and then I did go in and I dumped the whole entire wig in. And when I take it out, you're gonna see like white pieces in there, blonde pieces in there, and that's what I wanted. So then I just let that sit for a little bit, and then I went in and then I added more hair color to the bowl. And then after I added that hair color, I just kept dunking the water in. Dunking the wig in. And then I was also like taking my hands, running it through it with that and a brush, you know, just to make sure that all of the blonde hair was covered with hair color, because you don't want to have like a wig with blonde still in there. You want the whole entire wig to be colored. So I did want to do like some darker purples and some lighter purples, and I think that I achieved that very well. And I don't have the clip of that. I don't know what happened to it, because I did like a clip on my Snapchat, but for some reason it didn't save on Snapchat. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just dunking the wig, going through with my hands, spacing it out, making sure that the whole entire wig is covered. And what I did also do is I took my freeze spray and I sprayed the lace the inside of the lace, and I let that dry so that the knots and the lace would not bleach and turn purple. So make sure you're doing that when you're coloring your wig and you're using the hair color method. It really does make a difference when you have a purple lace versus the tan lace. You want the lace to be tan. styling the wig. As you can see, super easy, super easy. I feel like my wigs lay flatter now that my head is shaved bald, so that's a plus about being bald now. My wigs are laying flatter, they lay better if you ask me. And yeah, I'm just really feeling myself with this purple, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the whole entire video. If you made it this far to the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe, because obviously you like watching my videos and I like the fact that you like watching my videos. So make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.